I'm listening to John Ruskin's The Seven Lamps of Architecture. It's an essay on the principles he believed were part of design. Ruskin was an English art and architectural critic who was very critical back in the Victorian period. And he uses lamps as a metaphor and ties his principles of architecture to seven moral attributes. And here are my takeaways. One is sacrifice. Always apply your best efforts and resources to a project, incorporating custom details that require extra time and skill. 2. Truth. Expose structural elements like beams and trusses rather than hiding them, and embrace the imperfections that come with natural materials. 3 is power. Craft bold, clean lines that captivate and draw the eye, and position the home on its site in a way that enhances its presence and impact. And the fourth lamp is beauty, and beauty should draw inspiration from nature. Ruskin explains that the Greeks lightly constructed columns to symbolize the bark of a tree. I don't know, but architecture does seem to be an organic human interpretation of our environment and should be respected as such. 5 is life, and this principle emphasizes the human touch in construction and the joy of craftsmanship. Homes are likely the most complex handmade objects a human will ever possess. 6 is memory. A building should have a sense of history, drawing inspiration from local traditions. A home should complement and respect their neighborhood's character. And finally, obedience. The lamp refers to adhering to established architectural principles rather than pursuing novelty for its own sake. The book advises us to respect proven principles of proportion and scale and avoid trendy elements that may quickly become dated. And I didn't find the book to be the kind of resource I would use on projects, but it's very inspirational, and it taught me that after 150 years, the fundamentals in architecture really are still the same. The book is available on Amazon, and you'll find both the digital and audio books if you're a Scribd or Everran subscriber. And if you're an AIBD member, I've posted the link to the digital and audio versions in the designer docs using a new folder called eBooks. Now, all the links are in the notes below. By embracing these principles, we can craft homes that transcend mere structures and flourishes the spirit of living. Design boldly and have a triumphant week.